Ah, there it is. I'm in my iPad now. I got it back. I was lying to you guys. I actually did break my iPad. I'll just delete the other video that I uploaded like tomorrow, I guess. It's Friday. Yay. Let me show you guys it. And 3, 2, 1. Cannot find it. But 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yeah. This is a helicopter I created. I love it. By the way, the glass is breakable. If you just do this, the glass is breakable. I forgot to make it unbreakable, but it still gets the job done. I like it. We did it. We made the perfect helicopter. Wait.